Chapter 4. Do this and you'll be welcome anywhere. Have you ever met someone who instantly made you feel comfortable? Like you'd known them forever? They listen, smile, and make you feel like you actually matter. You walk away thinking, wow, that person was special. That feeling isn't luck. It's a skill. And in Chapter 4 of How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie reveals how you can create that same connection. Anywhere, with anyone. He starts with a story not about a famous leader, but about his childhood dog, Tippy. Tippy never read books, never took psychology classes, but he understood one of life's greatest secrets. You can make more friends in 2 months by being genuinely interested in others than in 2 years trying to get others interested in you. That's the heart of this chapter. Let's dive into the stories that show why genuine interest is the golden key to human connection. Carnegie noticed something powerful. People don't care about you as much as they care about themselves. They're not waiting to hear your achievements or opinions. They're waiting to feel seen, understood, and valued. He cites a study from the New York Telephone Company. The most used word in phone conversations was I. We humans are wired to think about ourselves first. So if you want to win people's hearts, shift your focus outward. Look at Theodore Roosevelt, one of the most admired leaders in history. Even as president, he made time to remember his servants' names, ask about their families, and even call them just to tell them a bird was outside their window. He didn't do it for attention, he cared. And that's the magic. People like Roosevelt weren't born charismatic, they simply took a genuine interest in others. That small act made everyone around them feel special. Carnegie shares the story of Howard Thurston, one of the world's greatest magicians. When asked for his secret, Thurston didn't talk about tricks or illusions. He said that before every performance, he repeated, I love my audience. I love my audience. That simple mindset made him connect with people instead of just performing for them, and audiences could feel it. Then there's George Dyke, a retired man who found new joy and friendship through his hobby, playing the fiddle. He wasn't a great musician, but he genuinely loved meeting people and learning their stories. That curiosity gave him purpose at 72. Carnegie also tells of a salesman who almost lost a client, until a clerk he always greeted spoke up for him. Why? Because he treated everyone with respect. The lesson? When you show genuine interest and warmth, people never forget how you make them feel, and that's true influence. So, how do you apply this? Simple, shift your focus from impressing to understanding. Ask questions. Listen closely. Remember the little things people share. Don't think, what can I say to make them like me? Instead, think, what can I learn about them? Genuine curiosity is magnetic. People feel it. They're drawn to those who truly care. Try this challenge. For 1 week, in every conversation, make it about the other person. Ask about their work, their passions, their story. You'll be surprised how deeply people respond when they feel seen. And remember Carnegie's timeless truth. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. That's Chapter 4. Do this and you'll be welcome anywhere. Next up, Chapter 5. If you don't do this, you're headed for trouble. If this inspired you, subscribe and share, because kindness connects us all.